Oh shoot, that's recording. Oh. I'm Sam with Aloovi, and I'm excited to be the one to get to bust out the good news, and there's a lot of it. First, we've upgraded. People are taking the 1-minute challenge to support their schools, and I'll spill the beans on the 2 major directions Aloovi is taking. First, we've been working hard and upgrading to match what our customers and our service providers have suggested. And it's been going beautifully. Our app is out on Android and iOS. It's as easy as a selfie to use. Download Aloovi from the App Store and take a picture or video of your closest task. Post it on Aloovi, see what bids you get on it. It's so easy. With just a picture or video, show us what needs to be done and what your budget is, and get competitive bids right away. I can post a job. Like that, just like that. So from creating an account to posting a job or signing up as a service provider, they say it takes about 1 minute. So try it. Get your phone out, snap a picture of that one thing that you've been putting off, and see what happens. Who knows? Someone might come fix your fender bender while you're having dinner with your homies. That would make an interesting point of conversation. Get your task completed and like what you see? It could be finished and folded laundry, someone cooking dinner, or finally finding that right tutor. Or like what you don't see, like weeds, dishes. You can hire them instantly and we'll help you manage all the details right through the app. Then pick which school you want us to donate to just for using the service. Pat yourself on the back for helping your local community thrive. But don't break your arm. Now, I don't have to have a different type of app for every different kind of service that I want to use. It's all right here in Aloovi. Used to have an app for taxis, groceries, car repair, dog walking, and babysitters. As it turns out, I only need one, Aloovi. It's the app for everything, supporting your school. Go to aloovi.com and set up your profile completely today. Last, I have a really exciting update for our service providers. We are getting ready to launch our full array of service categories. Very soon, our service providers will be able to go in and enroll in lots of new categories. And believe me, there are plenty. As each category becomes live, we'll email you and let you know so you can start bidding and earning money right away. We are so excited to see how many people are quickly signing up to show off their skills. So if you have a skill that you want to put to use and make some extra money, this is your chance. When you enroll, make sure to select all the categories that apply to you, including the ones in the inactive section, that we can email you and you know when to start bidding as they become active. That's all for this week, but we have even more groundbreaking changes coming soon. Download the Aloovi app today and set up your profile to support local education. Start doing work you really love. See you next time.